Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Travis Dykes, and today we're starting a new series called 5 Under 5, where I teach you 5 things in under 5 minutes. To start off this series, we're going to be going over 5 easy R&B bass licks. So let's get started. So this lick and groove is going to be in the key of F minor, starting with the flat 3, 2, and 1 at the beginning. And then we're going to go up here to the F minor pentatonic scale from the E to the G string. And we're going to go backwards using this pattern. Pluck, pluck, hammer on, pluck, pluck, hammer on, pluck, pluck, hammer on. Then we're going to go down 2 frets and do the same thing on the position below. Pluck, pluck, hammer on, pluck, pluck, hammer on. And then we're going to end on the A flat. So you get this. So this lick and groove is going to be in the key of F minor, starting with the flat 3, 2, 1. And then we're going to come all the way up here to the 13th fret where we have our minor scale going from the E to the G string. And we're going to do this pattern. So now you're going to descend down the scale with this 3-note pattern. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to finish it out with these 4 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so this lick is going to be in the key of F minor. I'm going to break it up into 3 parts, starting with flat 3, 2, and 1. Then part 2 will be this hammer on. Part 3 will go all the way up here to the 13th fret and play this. All those together. So this lick is going to be in the key of F minor, and we're going to start with the flat 3, 2, and 1. Then we're going to slide all the way up here to the 11th fret of the A string and play this pattern. So this lick is going to be in the key of F minor, starting with the flat 3, 2, and 1. Then we're going to slide all the way up here to the 13th fret where we're utilizing the back of the F minor pentatonic scale like this. And then the next position down like this. So gaining licks that you can throw into your playing, it's just the first step. If you guys want to learn some of the techniques that we went over today, feel free to check out this video.